Smuggling attempts in South Texas often lead to dangerous pursuits, crashes, and risks for both migrants and the public. On November 2nd, 2024, in Laredo, Texas, DPS troopers attempted to make a stop on a suspected smuggler on Interstate 35. The driver's refusal to pull over prompted a pursuit.
Gonna be a forward edge. Silver and Thunder, we're heading south at 35. That's in the loading docks. We're going west on Man Road. West on Calton, west on Calton.
During the pursuit, the smuggler allowed a young female passenger to bail out of the vehicle.
One body bailed out, one female body wearing yellow shirt. She's running south on Santa Maria.
She was later apprehended.
We're continuing north on Santa Maria.
North on Santa Maria. North on Santa Maria.
The driver kept evading troopers, but ultimately became stranded at the train tracks.
Okay, bro.
Get out! Get out! Get out! No se muevan, todos al piso, todos al piso. Siéntese en el piso, ¿verdad? Siéntese en el piso. En el piso, en el piso.
Inside the vehicle, troopers discovered 5 additional undocumented individuals.
Ponga su mano acá, oiga. Se puede parar, nomás no le corra. Dame tu mano, señor.
The suspect was charged with 6 counts of smuggling of persons and evading arrest. All 6 illegal immigrants were referred to the U.S. Border Patrol. Thank you for watching. For more incidents of law enforcement safeguarding our border towns, click on any of the videos that appear on your screen.